Welcome to GBRI's Continuing Education webinar series. My name is Jesslyn Vargas and I will be your instructor for this course.
Here is the GBCI approval slide for this course. As you can see, the course is approved for 1 general CE hour. All reporting information will be repeated on the final slide of the course.
This Section 1, Introduction to VOC. Here are some of the words that we will look into for today's presentation. Contaminants are unwanted airborne elements that affect the quality of indoor air. VOCs, or volatile organic compounds, are carbon compounds present in materials that vaporize at normal room temperatures. Off-gassing is the emission of VOCs from synthetic and natural products. SCAQMD, or South Coast Air Quality Management District, is a governmental organization with the mission to maintain healthy air quality. Green Seal is an independent non-profit organization with the mission to identify products and materials that are less toxic. VOC budget methodology is an alternate credit compliance path for VOC credits. Now let's look at why indoor air quality is important. According to the US EPA, Americans spend 90% of their time indoors. Additionally, the top 5 air quality problems are all indoor air issues according to the EPA. It has been widely publicized that indoor air is often more polluted than the air outside, and many builders and designers are working to find ways to improve indoor air quality. Project Lifecycle Approach outlines various strategies that projects may practice during various stages during the project lifecycle of a building. Though there are many stages and phases in a project lifecycle, we would like to concentrate on 3 of them: design or planning, construction, and operation. First, let's start with design or planning phase. We shall look at some of the strategies that you may incorporate in your design and planning stage to reduce the VOCs on your project. During the design stage, the team makes important decisions on building materials and finish outs based on many parameters. Apart from factors such as function, cost, and durability, materials shall also be analyzed from a IEQ perspective. As green building professionals, we should emphasize the importance of proper selection of materials based on their IEQ merit. All materials that emit contaminants and has a chance of entering indoor air should be considered as indoor air contaminant sources. Sources include all indoor surfaces that come in contact with indoor air, such as flooring, ceiling, interior walls, suspended ceiling, furniture systems, etc. Volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, are emitted from certain solid or liquid materials that are applied on surfaces mentioned earlier. As you know, VOCs include a variety of chemicals, some of which may have short and long-term adverse health effects. Concentrations of VOCs are consistently higher indoors, sometimes in up to 10 times, than outdoors, and are emitted by a wide array of products commonly found in our daily lives. Examples include paints, paint strippers, cleaning supplies, pesticides, building materials, and furnishings. LEED address low emission materials for the following materials: adhesives and sealants, paints and coatings, flooring system, composite wood and agri-fiber products, furniture and furnishings, ceiling and wall systems. Analyzing products and installation methodologies that have potential to affect indoor environmental quality is a good strategy to follow before finalizing materials. LEED design team shall incorporate VOC requirements in the spec section as part of construction documentation. It's also a good strategy to include sample VOC forms, submittals, or sample submittals for contractor guidance. We shall look at the VOC composition limits of each of the materials shown on the screen.